Subscribe to our channel now and press the bell icon to never miss an update from KIMS Global.
Hi, I am Dr. Ramesh Natarajan, Senior Consultant Cardiologist and Chief Coordinator of Cardiology Department, KIMS Trivandrum. Now, smoking is a very serious risk factor for the development of heart disease. The nicotine present in tobacco, it can cause shrinkage of the blood tubes of the heart and also promote the damage to the inner lining of the blood tubes of the heart, which leads to the buildup of cholesterol deposits and development of block. So one has to quit smoking at a very early age to prevent the development of these cholesterol deposits in the arteries of the heart as well as the blood vessels in other parts of the body. But quitting smoking has a very, very favorable effect in prevention of heart disease, in that the risk for developing heart disease comes down to almost 30% of what it was earlier 1 year after quitting smoking. And gradually the risk keeps coming down, and after about 5 years of quitting smoking, the person has a risk profile very similar to that of a non-smoker for the development of heart disease. So certainly the heart can function better once you stop smoking, and it can rebuild its strength. So all persons who have sustained a heart attack should immediately quit smoking. And there are several methods which can help somebody to quit smoking, and one of which includes nicotine replacements in other forms like nicotine patches or chewing gums which are used. So these are things which help the person to quit the smoking habit, because the cigarette smoke itself contains a lot of toxins other than pure nicotine, which leads to the heart attack. So replacement with nicotine, certainly at lower and lower doses, certainly helps the person to quit smoking and completely come out of the addiction to the nicotine.